Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your wallet name on the Coin98 Wallet application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Coin98 Wallet application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed forward with your seed phrase or your social accounts. And once you are logged in, you will be taken into the wallet page. Now within this page, you will see your wallet name at the top section. In order to change this, just go ahead and tap on it and then tap on Manage Wallets. Now from here, just choose the wallet that you wish to change the name of, and you will now see the rename option. Go ahead and tap on this, and you can now change your wallet name right away. Just type in your preferred wallet name and then tap on the confirm button, and your wallet name will be changed on your device right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your wallet name on the Coin98 Wallet app. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.